Hello everybody, I have a 2015 Jetta and I just did an oil change on this guy. So if any of you who's trying to reset your oil maintenance light on, this is how it works. You would need to use both of your hands at the beginning. What we're going to do is we're going to hold this button, and while holding we're going to press the start button. When you do that, make sure your foot is not on the brake. Just leave it off, and once you hit the start button, ignition will come on, and hold it for a few seconds, and once the wrench flashes, you're going to press this button one time and turn the ignition off. So this is how we're going to do it. Hold it and then press the start button once. Ignition is on. Okay. And then we're going to release and then press this button. Perfect. Turn the car off. Now open the door, and I like to do that. Start the car. We're going to check the oil light. You see, it's done to 10,000 miles. That's how easy it is to set it up. Thank you for watching.